Hello friends, this is Vishnu from Studio Note 7. Yes, in this video we are going to see how to render a SketchUp model using Twinmotion. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also don't forget to click the bell icon below here. And yes, if you like this video, do like it. Yes, let's start with the video. So before going to Twinmotion, we have to do a small change in the SketchUp. So this is a 2019 SketchUp version, and in this, while saving the file of your model, you have to first save it in a lower version. So first select the file, save a copy as, and in this you have to give version as 2013 or version 8 and change the file name. Yes, now we will start with the Twinmotion. Click this import icon. This open your model file from your location. In this, click OK. Yes, now your SketchUp model has been imported. Let's see the controls in the mouse. So if you want to zoom, you can scroll up or scroll down, and if you have to rotate this SketchUp model, you have to click any object in this model and you have to click shift, and then you have to click the scroll and you have to just drag it. Let me show you. First click on object, then click shift. Then if you just click the scroll, you can just rotate your model. So first let us set the background. Go to this icon and click the background button, and you can select anything. You have a city background, town background, countryside, mountains, and you have many. In this you can select anything, so that the background changes. And first select the location. If you are connected to the internet, the location will be set automatically, or else you have to change it. You have to change the sun path of your model by selecting this north offset icon. And if you want to change the time, you can click here and you can change the time of the day. Let's apply materials. Click this. In this there are many tools for your model. In this, first we will click materials. Here you can see there's a glass, metal, concrete, wood, and many materials in this. So let's start with the walls. So we will click concrete. So there are many materials here. You can select any of this and you can just click and drag. Just click the material and drag. See, it's very easy. After finishing the walls, let's go to the glass. There are many glass materials here, so you can select any of this and just click, drag to the desired point and leave it. Let's go to the doors. For door we will select the wood, any of the wood. Now let's start applying for the rest of this model. Yes, now let's add lightings to the building. Click on this lights icon and you may see many lights in this. From this we will select any light and just click and drag. If you want to rotate the light, you can just click here and you can rotate to any angles, or you can also type the angle here so that it will be changed. And if you see, there are many options here. If you want to on the light or off, you can use this, and the intensity can also be changed using this toolbar, and the color of the light also can be changed from warm colors to cool color. So you can select any color range between this, and you can change the length of the light also. If you want more length, you can give, or you can change depending upon the needs. And shadows, you have to click on or off. It's up to you. And yes, let's add the lightings to the entire building. So for the windows, there's one more thing we have to do. Select the materials, open the neon folder. In this you have many neon lights, so you can just click and drag and add to the windows. So yes, the lightings are done with this model. So let's start with the landscaping. So if you go to the library, you have vegetation and landscape folder. In this you have landscape, bushes, grasses, rocks, etc. There are many things. So in this, let's start with the trees. Add any trees from this options. You can add anything. Now let's add the bushes. Select any bushes of your choice and click, then click here. Now let's rotate this and paste here. Now if you want many bushes in your model, you can just give Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So this dialog box will appear. You can just click OK and your copy has been created. Now you can just drag and you can add as many as you can. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy and paste. Yes, now let's add the human characters in this model. Go to the library, you have a characters folder. In this you can select humans. So if you click and drag, it will be coming just a single human character. So if you want a group, you can click this. You can click any of these options. So a group of humans will be applied in your model. That's it, friends. Now let's add vehicles in this model. Select anything. You have cars, buses, aircraft, boats. You can select anything. Just click from this folder and click on the screen wherever you want. You can also add many number of cars. If you want to rotate, just click this semicircular segment and just rotate it and place wherever you want. That's it, guys. Your Twinmotion model has been successfully finished. Now let's export this as an image. Click on the image, this icon, click on image, click on create image, this plus icon. So there's the frame of your picture. Now go to the export settings, click this image tab and click on image number 1. So as we created the image, that number of images count will be here. So this is the image number 1. If you want to add more images, no problem, you can just click here. You have to change the angle. If you want your next image as like this, you can just click here, so it will be added. Also you can change the time of the day and click create image. Now if you want to export this 3, you can just click here this export settings and click image one, select any one from these choices, and after one is over you can select another thing. So first image is going to be rendered now. If you click this start export icon, your rendering starts. You have to give the location of your rendered image, and all you have to do now is wait for minutes. That's it guys. After the exporting has been done, you can go to the location you have saved your file and just click and open the file. Yes, that's all guys. Your Twinmotion render has been done successfully with the help of SKETCHUP model. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like this, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the future updates. And that's all for this video. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.